everyone, it's Allie, and today we are going to be doing a what's in my bag video. So for those of you who don't know, I am a mom and I'm constantly on the go. I also try to keep it kind of minimalistic in the sense of like, I don't want to run around with like a diaper bag and a purse and a wallet and whatever. So I've learned that over the years, I prefer a backpack because that way my hands are free. I figured I will go ahead and show you what I keep in my bag. So speaking of bag, today I'm going to be talking about this beauty. This is the Addison by Andar. I'd like to give a big thanks to Andar for sending this gorgeous bag over, and I have quickly fallen in love with it, and I will tell you why. They were also kind enough to give me a discount code. It is GLOW, so I will leave that down in the description box below if you want to go ahead and get yourself an Addison backpack. They also have other amazing quality pieces. Okay, so before we get into the actual revealing of what's in this lovely bag, I want to go ahead and tell you a little bit about the Addison. This is the Addison backpack by Andar. So this bag actually comes in this full size version that I have, and they also have a mini version of this, which is so cute. I of course got the full size because I need to be ready at all times, and I have a lot of things that I need to bring with me. I got it in the black. Can't go wrong with black, right? Let me see what other colors they have. They have in like a really pretty cream color. They have a dark brown, which I think is what I'm gonna get next. They have it in a camel. I got the black. And they also have a forest, which is like a very, very dark forest green, almost black looking. And they have all those colors in both the full size and the mini version. I have learned over the years that it is better in most cases to invest a little bit more and get something of better quality, especially on pieces that can be, considered timeless, that will last you a long, long time. You know that they're going to be good quality and they are going to last. So this bag is 100% premium, full grain, oil waxed leather. So you get like the real deal, amazing quality here. It's also lined with like a microfiber on the inside, which I really like because it's nice and soft in there. And the hardware on here, like the metal, is a really good quality brass. And I like the contrast of like the brass and the black. I really like that. And the zipper is also very high quality. It's not like those really flimsy ones that you're gonna have to worry about it breaking or anything like that. I was like, you know what? Let me get a piece that I'm going to use it every single day and I know it's gonna look good and perform better. So let me go ahead and open it up and show you what I actually have in here. So let's open up the main pocket. So yeah, real quick, as you can see, this is what the bag looks like. You have like the handle on top. You got the backpack straps right here that of course is adjustable. And this is one of my favorite features. You have like this little hidden pocket, which I love. It's very secure because it's like right on your back. So I like to keep my phone in there if I don't have it like in my hand, because that way it's like I know exactly where to get it. I can just like reach right behind and pull it out if I have to. You can keep your wallet in there. You can put your keys in there. Things that you want to keep a little bit, closer to you. But yeah, I love that feature. And it also looks really cute too. It's just like a little bit of detail on the bag here. Okay, so let's open up. Let's get started. Who wants to see what a mom of 3 carries with her at all times? Because, gone are the days of a cute little purse. We go heavy duty here with the backpack. Let's open it up. So this fits a ton. You can also fit a small laptop in here. I'm actually using it right now, so it's not in here. But for, those who are working and on the go, students even, you can fit a laptop in here, your tablet in here, and there's still plenty of room. So keep that in mind. All right, let's get started. For real this time. All right, so I have a water bottle. Yes, I know, I tried it. You have that reusable water bottles. I have my other water bottle right here, but I do just kind of grab and go. This is a plastic water bottle. I have a water bottle. Stay hydrated. That's what we have in here. Okay, next. Here I have a extra long cord. I believe this one is for my children's tablets. because we were taking a little bit of a longer drive. However, they do much better in the car without their tablets. And thankfully, I really don't have them using their tablets a ton. Try to keep it to a minimum, but I have it in here just in case we need to like charge them up. So charging cord, done. What else do we have in here? We have, okay, so these, here's my wallet. This is the Denner. So also by Andar. If you don't have a Denner wallet, what are you waiting for? This is my favorite thing in the world. So when I'm out and I'm not wearing my backpack, just put it around the wrist and run in. This is the best thing ever. Also by Andar. Okay. Next, what do we have in here? We're keeping it real. Okay, so here I have the teether crackers, but this is the wrapper. I thought I got rid of all the wrappers, but I guess I didn't. And there's still a little piece in here. So this is for my baby, baby. Teether crackers by Happy Baby. Yeah, my baby likes these, so, okay. Oh, we got a sticker. Okay, we got a sticker. So this is from the dentist. My baby's had a dentist appointment and they got stickers because they were great. So here we go, brush your teeth. Okay, next, what do we have? Okay, deodorant. Ladies, gentlemen, keep deodorant with you. I always have deodorant with me. Always, like, always. So I like Schmidt's. This is a natural deodorant, but I feel like it actually works. At least I think it does. If I smell, somebody tell me, but I think it works. This is Schmidt's. I have the fresh cucumber one. I've tried like their lime bergamot, which is really nice. But Schmidt's deodorant, yes. No matter what, I'm just like boop, 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 real quick. Especially running after little ones. Yes, deodorant. You need to have deodorant with you. Next, what do we have in here? Tissues. Just because, you know, you never know. Somebody sneezes, someone needs a tissue. Got the sniffles going on. Got these little, you know, little travel tissue packs. Next, what do we have? Okay. Next we have lollies. Now, these are not like regular lollipops. These are called lollies. They are, I think that's the name of the brand. I don't know if it's a different name. But these are basically like cough drops for little ones in lollipop form, which is really great. You know, it is wintertime currently at the time that I'm filming this. And I just am always prepared in case someone gets like a little, as you saw, the tissues. We got some lollies in case someone gets a sore throat or anyone starts coughing. And I mean, okay, I can use them like a little treat. And I know it's not bad. It's literally just like honey. That's it. So I really love these. These are organic lollies, but they're like cough drops for kids. So you don't have to worry about giving them a cough drop because then they can just like eat it like a lollipop. It's flat, so you don't have to worry about it, you know, going down and getting stuck in their throat and choking. No, whatever, we can keep them as safe as possible. Yeah, so lollies. I have them here also in case, you know, if we're out and about and taking too long and they're getting a little antsy. I'm like, who wants a lolly? We have lollies. Okay, cool. They love these. I love these. So lollies. Highly recommend, by the way. Not just for moms, but like, it's a lollipop but a cough drop. Lollies. Okay. Next we have snacks. You know, with the lollies, we also have snacks. This is the Z-Bar by Cliff. Now, I'm a little picky with what snacks I give my kids. These are good. They're tasty. They do have like sunflower oil, which I'm not a fan of, but they're okay. They're not bad. There are worse things out there, but I do like them because it's a granola bar. It's wrapped, so you can just leave it in here and not worry about like forgetting it. Like if I have fruit in here and if I forget about that, not good. But if I know we're going to be like out and right back in, I'll throw a couple of like little clementines in there or something, or an apple. But if not, I always keep some type of snack in there for like emergencies. So this is a Cliff Kid Z-Bar. Okay, next we have diapers for my little one. So gotta have diapers handy. Also, moms, keep diapers not just for yourself, but for other moms. Okay, diaper. So this is my purse / diaper bag. We have some ointment, little baby Aquaphor, little baby ointment. So for, you know, like diaper cream. But also, I love Aquaphor for my lips, my hands, you know, especially winter months. Things are very dry and like cracking. So I use this for my baby's tushy and for my lips and my hands. So baby Aquaphor. All right, next we have wipes. I'm running low on these. I always make sure that I have wipes in my bag. These are the Millie Moon sensitive wipes. I really like these actually. These are, it says 99% natural formula, pH balance. It's 100% plant-based cloth. I like these. Side note, I know this is a little bit like, you know, I can get a little bit more in detail if anyone's interested in seeing like more of baby products and mom life and stuff like that. Let me know if you're interested. But I highly recommend Millie Moon wipes if you're looking for a more natural, I guess, type of wipe. I was using water wipes, but I feel like those are so wet and like hard to get out of the package that it's like, it's literally like picking up a drenched washcloth. So these are nice. They come out easily of the packet and they're not too wet, but they're not like dry. These are things that you learn over time. By, you know, my third child, I'm like, I know what to look for in each thing. But Millie Moon wipes, I love these. I saw that they are referred to as like the Swiss Army knife for moms. So you can never have enough baby wipes handy. Let's take all of this out. Oh, I found some more lollies. I found some more lollies in the bottom of the bag. Okay. I try to make sure we have extra for friends too. That's why I have so many. Next, what I have is extra clothing. That's what's in my bag. Extra clothing for all of my children, because not just for the baby, you never know if the baby has blowouts, but also for my older ones in case, you know, I don't worry about like accidents as much, but like, you know, in case they get dirty or they spill all over themselves or they sit on something or if someone gets car sick or whatever it may be, we have outfits for everyone. And normally I actually keep either an extra tank top or something for myself or a blanket, but not so much now, but when the baby was like really little, an extra tank top or shirt for myself in case the baby would like spit up on me. That's a tip for moms too. But we have extra clothes in here. Now in here, I'll show you, hold on. There's some crumbs from the teeth and crackers. Okay, now that it's empty, I will show you. Inside of this beautiful backpack, we have a zipper pocket right here. I think you can see there's a zipper pocket. And on the flip side, the front, there's pockets in here without zippers that you can put things in. So easy access instead of reaching all the way down there and looking for something. Say you want like, okay, let's get deodorant. I can just keep that in my pocket right here. And I know it's right there. I don't have to like dig through it. So I think you're also able to tell that soft microfiber in the inside. It's really nice. Amazing quality. Okay, let's see what's in the front pocket, shall we? Okay, next we have, I have more teeth and crackers. Oh, look. Okay, so see, I have more of the baby Aquaphor. This is like a little sample size, which I actually like. I think I got it at either the doctor's office or the dermatologist. But this I use like lip balm, you know, instead of taking that big tube out, which is still not like the biggest tube. This little one I use as lip balm. So this front pocket's like mommy's pocket when I'm out and about. Okay, here I have my charging cable for my phone. Next, we have mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I love this one. I feel like I always go back to this, but I keep mascara because usually I don't look like this when I'm out. Usually I'm just like messy bun, no makeup, let's go. But I keep mascara with me because, you know, mascara makes a big difference. Even if I have like nothing on, I'm like, wait a second, let me look somewhat presentable. Just 1, 2, 3 makes a big difference. So keep mascara with me. That way, if I'm like in a rush too, I know I can just do that in the car. Or if I'm out, I don't have to worry about that. So, I have some hand sanitizer. You need some scrubbies, as we say. Oh, this is a little sample. This is a Tarte. It's like a tinted moisturizer, tinted hydrator. I really like this one actually. I need a full-size version, but I do like that I have a lot of sample size stuff, so I can just throw it in here. I think I got this in an Ipsy bag, but this is the Tarte Maracuja tinted hydrator. And I also have the Pure Lease illuminating BB cream. So again, usually I'm just like running out the door. I don't have makeup on or anything. So if I do want to have like a little something going on, usually I'll like put a little whoop, just rub it in and done. This mascara, you know, you look like a whole new person. Okay, what else? Oh, and lip gloss. I have the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. This is like a liquid lip. I love this color. It's one of my favorite colors. And then I have lip gloss right here. This is by Element Cosmetics. This I think was like a special edition packaging that I got, I think from BoxyCharm, but this is in the color Birthday Suit. And I love this lip gloss so much. I'll put some on now. Oh, so pretty. Again, just when you want like a little something when you're out. I'm actually, now that we're here, I'm going to put this lip color. I'm gonna keep this in my bag, so I'm adding this on here. This is my favorite, like absolute favorite liquid lipstick. This is by Elevate Beauty, and this is Faith Over Fear. I love this. Love this color. Yes, I'm gonna be putting that in my bag. Next we have my little like lanyard of our library cards and our gym passes and all that stuff for our extracurriculars. So when we need to go to the library, go to the gym, I always just keep it here. That way I can like check in and I'm like, bloop, instead of digging through. Keep that in the front pocket for easy access when I'm not just wearing it around my neck. And yeah, what else? Yeah, that's basically it. My keys are always with my wallet, and you know, here's my phone. My phone is either in my back pocket, in my hand, or in this little hidden compartment. And it goes like way in there. So I love that. I guess that is what I keep in my bag. Okay, so as you can see, this bag is great for me because I need to carry so much with me at all times. But what I love about this is it's a backpack. You know, it doesn't look like a diaper bag. It doesn't look like a sports backpack. This looks like a very chic backpack. Like, it's so cute. It's so chic. And I love that you can wear this like dressed up or dressed down, especially because it is that like leather, like good quality leather. It doesn't look cheap or anything like that. Let me put this on so you can see. Like, it fits so nicely. That's so cute. I mean, it's empty now, so the shape might be a little different, but let me show you the back. Like, what? That's so cute. Isn't that so cute? I love it. So I think you can see. I don't know. I'm like cut off, but how cute is that? I love it. Yeah, so this is great because I can wear this literally in like my workout clothes and I'm running to the gym and stuff like that, or running to some type of sport thing for my children. Or if it's just me and I'm like dressed up, I have like my jeans, a nice outfit. Like, this looks so cute. Look. Like, excuse me? What? That's so cute, right? I've had a couple of backpacks in the past and I feel like they either were like too casual looking, or if they were leather and like dressier looking, they just broke because it wasn't real leather, and it was just like they fell apart after like, I don't know, a few months really, or the zipper broke or whatever. But this is amazing quality and the size is great. I can fit a ton in here without it looking like bulky and like I'm going away, you know, which, I mean, if you want to take this on vacation, right, you can fit a lot in here and take it for like traveling. But yeah, I like that it doesn't look like a travel backpack or like a hiking backpack or, you know, a cheap backpack. This is just like a good, high quality, cute, very chic backpack. I love it. And I love that they have the mini version too. So I'm probably going to get myself this in like every other color. So there we have what's in my bag. Those are the things that I carry with me at all times. So this is like the mom version. So yeah, big thank you again to Andar for sending this beautiful piece over. They were also kind enough to give me a discount code. It is GLOW. You can go ahead and use that if you'd like to take a look at their things. Go and check out the Addison. Check out the mini version. It's also really cute. But I highly recommend this. You can go ahead and look at all the other products. They have the Denner. This is the Denner wallet, which is incredible. Also amazing quality. Yeah, so go ahead and check it out. You will not be disappointed. But yeah, that does it. Again, big thank you to Andar for sending this over. Thank you for a discount code for all of my viewers. Let me know if you have anything by Andar, if you want to check it out, any pieces that you're interested in, any questions, anything like that. But yes, I will leave all of that information down below. Let me know if you want to see other videos like this. If you are not subscribed, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy this. Ring the bell for notifications. That way you get notified anytime I upload, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.